It is December 20th, 2017. I'm Shannon with Simply Trade and your stock market update. So, super flat day today in the markets. And it's strange, I guess, because the pre-markets were crazy up. So everyone, I think, thought there was going to be a pop, but there was not. One of the contributors to that would be RHT Red Hat. They had little things in their report after earnings that it's just those little things that even though they had good earnings, talking about the next quarter coming up, just those fine little things screwed the whole thing up. So that's part of it, and it's a big hitter. So of course it's going to bring the markets down a little bit. That's why never ever do earnings plays, because it looked so good and everything looked great. The analysts liked it and everything, but it was, what are they going to do next quarter? And it doesn't look like it's going to be spectacular. So that was that. And let's cut away to our chart of the day, MU. MU is the chart of the day today. I see a lot of people posting about MU, and so I wanted to take a look at it. And it's a great chart. As you can see, it, kind of had been leveling off July to August, dipped a little in August, and then at the end, it really started taking off. And it's been a really nice trending chart. And then you can see at the end of November, it had a huge drop, a lot of sell-off, which is great because then that just gives you new buy entries. And so as you can see, it kind of had that. Today wouldn't have been a day that I would get in this one because it was up 4%, and you don't want to get in on a stock that's up that high. That's when you want to sell. That's when you want to get some profit taking going for yourself, is when a stock, if you're in it, you want to get out when it's like 4% up for sure. 1 to 2% pop in a day is pretty big for a stock. So it's, that's a pretty big deal. So I would want it to pull back just a bit, and it will, and then I would jump into this one. But it is a really nice stock, so I do like that one. And let's see here. And the Dow today, very, very flat. And I think because the market was up yesterday, they were excited about the tax reform bill, and then it passed today, which personally I thought the market would have really gone up, and it was up pre-market, and I thought for sure we would have a nice up day again, but it kind of fizzled out a little bit. So hopefully, maybe that was just more of a flat, maybe small profit taking day for some people, and tomorrow could go up again. I don't know, but anyway, the tax reform bill was voted and it passed, and so now we'll see what happens with that. And that is your chart of the day. Okay, and let's talk about easing holiday stress at the workplace. So if you do Christmas stuff around the workplace and different things like that, there's just a few things you could do to make it a little more enjoyable, I guess. Something you could do is you could make things a team effort. So if you are doing some kind of a gift exchange or something like that, you could make it a team effort and get together and just wrap everything and make an event of that, if people are really willing to do that. If you have a holiday party, you could make it something fun or something, I don't know, than just the usual holiday party. They talked about things like just go to lunch and then maybe break away for a movie afterwards, something just kind of fun to do. And then the other thing is, a lot of people have a tendency to use their vacation days for like rainy days or something like that. But actually take one of your vacation days if you can at your workplace and use it for the holidays. Have some time for yourself to be refreshed and ready to go, because it does get busy, and I would take advantage of that. Anyway, that is your stock market update. Be sure to leave a comment in the box below. We'll have a link to our beginners group and our women's group. Be sure to visit www.simplytradetoday.com. Look around there. We've got a lot of good things, and we will see you tomorrow.